Hi friends, I am Abhay. It is true that everybody wants to know about the market beforehand. That's why you keep watching experts on YouTube channel, and most watched topic is Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction for tomorrow. You would have noticed that day in day out market behave contrary to their opinion, and most of you end up losing money in the market. Expert analyze option data, chart pattern, resistance level, support level that hardly works in live market. Now, is there a way to know how market would behave on a particular day? Does market itself give any clue before it becomes live? Please watch this video till the end as we are going to explore and analyze the clue about the market. It is widely believed that opening of Asian market is largely determined by overnight closing of the US market. On the screen you see that we have collected 235 data points between 1st Jan 24 to 27 December 24 to establish relationship between overnight S&P 500 closing and Nifty opening on the next day. On 137 counts, when US market closed in green, 80% of the time Nifty opened in line with US market closing. However, on 98 counts, when US market closed in red, only 53% of the time Nifty opened in line with US market closing. Correlation coefficient between overnight S&P 500 closing and Nifty opening is 0.21. So what are the key findings here? Contrary to our belief, weak correlation exists between overnight US market closing and Nifty opening. Though our market opening is impacted by any significant fall or gain in US market, otherwise it is based on local factors. With this background, let's analyze whether Nifty opening is the real clue to predict market for the day. On the screen you see that when market opens in green, 65% chances are that it will close in green. But the point to note here is that only 42% of the time it is likely to close above its opening level. When market opens in red, 67% chances are that it will close in red. But the point to be noted here, only 44% times it is likely to close below its opening level. So what are the key findings here? When Nifty opens in green, 58% chances are that it will close below its opening level. When Nifty opens in red, 56% chances are that it will close above its opening level. As this data point does not throw up any significant result, let's analyze Nifty opening vis-a-vis overnight US market closing to get more clues about the market. There are 110 data points between 1st Jan 24 to 27 December 24 when Nifty opened in line with US market closing in green. So what is the key takeaway from this data point? When Nifty opened in green in line with US market closing, 65% chances are that it will close in green. However, it is also interesting to note that 63% times it is likely to close below its opening level. There are 27 data points between 1st Jan 24 to 27 December 24 when Nifty opened in red contrary to the US market closing in green. On the screen you would note that when Nifty opens in red contrary to the US market closing, 74% chances are that it is likely to close in red and 52% times it is likely to close below its opening level. So what is the key takeaway here? When Indian market opens in red contrary to the US market closing, it is bearish signal for the market. There are 52 data points between 1st Jan 24 to 27 December 24 when Nifty opened in line with US market closing in red. So what is the key takeaway from here? When Indian market opened in line with US market closing in red, 63% chances are that it will close in red. However, it is also interesting to note that 60% times it is likely to close above its opening level. There are 46 data points between 1st Jan 24 to 27 December 24 when Nifty opened in green contrary to the US market closing. On the screen you would note that when Nifty opens in green contrary to the US market closing, 63% chances are that it will close in green and 52% times it is likely to close above its opening level. So what is the key takeaway from here? When Nifty opens in green contrary to the US market closing, it is bullish signal for the market. So the summary of the entire discussion is that if Nifty opens contrary to the US market closing, it is bullish or bearish signal for the market. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for the watching.